Hello students, hope you all are doing well. I'm Supreet Kaur, welcomes all of you on our YouTube channel Smart PTE Tricks. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for your love and support. And today I'm here to announce that now we are arranging our online classes again. For some circumstances, we were not arranging online classes and we got some complaints from all of you who are interested. But now we are arranging online classes on time, especially reading and speaking modules. And if you are interested, you can contact us on the number given below, as our contact preferences are changed now. And again, I would like to thank all of you from depth of my heart, because with your love and support we are reaching here. And keep supporting.
Space exploration is a testament to human curiosity and technological advancement. From peering into the stars with early telescopes to landing rovers on Mars, this journey illustrates our relentless pursuit to understand the cosmos. The story of space exploration began with early astronomers like Galileo, who used telescopes to observe celestial bodies. This marked the beginning of a new era in understanding our universe. Fast forward to the 20th century, when the launch of Sputnik, the first artificial satellite, ignited the space race, leading to remarkable milestones including the historic Apollo moon landing in 1969. In recent years, space exploration has entered a new frontier with missions to Mars. Rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance have been exploring the Martian surface, searching for signs of past life and paving the way for future human missions. These rovers represent incredible feats of engineering and symbolize our ongoing quest to explore the unknown.
Today, let's delve into the revolutionary impact of the printing press, an invention that transformed society and laid the groundwork for the modern world. Invented by Johannes Gutenberg in the 15th century, the printing press ushered in an era of mass communication, altering the course of history. Before the printing press, books were hand-copied and scarce, limiting knowledge to a privileged few. Gutenberg's invention made it possible to produce books quickly and in large numbers, democratizing information and making it accessible to a broader audience. This was a turning point that fueled the Renaissance, the scientific revolution, and the Reformation. The spread of printed material led to increased literacy rates and the dissemination of new ideas across Europe. It broke the monopoly of the elite over knowledge and education, empowering individuals with information and fostering critical thinking and debate. Furthermore, the printing press played a crucial role in preserving and sharing knowledge. It helped standardize languages and texts, shaping cultural and national identities.
In today's lecture, I'm delighted to take you back in time to explore the historical impact of the Silk Road. This ancient network of trade routes not only facilitated the exchange of goods but also acted as a bridge between civilizations, cultures, and ideas. The Silk Road, spanning from China to the Mediterranean, was instrumental in the trade of precious goods like silk, spices, tea, and gold. However, its significance extends beyond commerce. It was a conduit for cultural exchange, allowing for the movement of philosophies, religions, and even artistic styles across continents. This cross-cultural interaction played a crucial role in the development of the societies it connected. For example, the Silk Road facilitated the spread of Buddhism from India to East Asia and brought Chinese inventions like paper and gunpowder to the West. The legacy of the Silk Road is a testament to the power of connectivity and exchange. Today, I'm excited to discuss the transformative power of the Internet, a technological marvel that has reshaped every aspect of our lives. The Internet is not just a network of computers, it's a platform for global connection, innovation, and expression. The Internet's inception has marked a turning point in human history. It has revolutionized communication, making it instant and borderless. We can now connect with someone across the world in seconds, something unimaginable just a few decades ago. Moreover, the Internet has been a powerful tool for education and knowledge dissemination. It offers an unprecedented access to information, breaking down barriers to education and learning opportunities. Online resources, courses, and platforms have democratized education, making it accessible to a broader audience. The Internet has also fueled innovation and entrepreneurship. Photography, since its inception, has not just been about creating images, it's a powerful tool that chronicles our world and experiences. The journey of photography began in the early 19th century with the daguerreotype, a process that created a single, unique image. This invention revolutionized the way we document life, making it possible to preserve moments in time forever. Since then, photography has undergone tremendous changes, from the introduction of color and digital photography to today's advanced smartphone cameras. Photography has played a crucial role in historical documentation, giving us visual insights into past events and cultures. Iconic photographs have the power to evoke emotions, provoke thought, and sometimes even spur social change. They serve as windows into times and places that words alone cannot fully capture.